Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Pasquini Livia 90 espresso machine. Now for this machine we did work. We replaced the pressure stat, we replaced the vacuum release valve, and we also did a tune-up on the machine, replacing the shower screen that you want, the one that you see right here. As you can see, just in terrible condition. Let me see if it focus. Good. As you can see, it's just in terrible condition. It was just really bad. So we end up cleaning everything inside the machine, making sure it's nice, clean, and working properly. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test out the machine, then we're gonna use the steamer and the hot water. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings for this machine, otherwise you're gonna see drip coffee, and as you can see, it's pretty fast, so I should have put a little bit more coffee and temper a little bit more hard. We're still gonna get you good crema for how fast it poured, to be honest. But yeah, it was just my shot that did not. It need to be a little bit more packed correctly. As you can see, shower head in, nice. Focus camera. There you go. Nice and clean, working perfectly fine. Good temperature. Temperature and pressure. And for the hot water, working perfectly fine. And there you have it, Pasquini and working once again. So thank you for the Mechanic Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day. And thanks for watching.